Okay, so this is the 2003 Ford E450. Starts up with no problems. Alright, so the first thing we'll show you is the handicap lift. What we got to do first is put the e-brake, or put the parking brake on. Hit the button. You can see that lights up. This lift is made by the Braun Corporation. It was manufactured on July 15th, 2003. Have our remote right here. Okay, so the lift works, no problems. Here's the inside of the lift. So, for whatever reason that you may not, the lift may not work electronically, you can take this cover off, and you can see right here, this cutout, there's a pole inside there, which you can release the hydraulics, loosen the hydraulic, the lift will fold out, drop to the ground. And then you can tighten it back up and pump the lift back into place. We have 4 bags full of wheelchair securements. So you can see we have these seats folded up. Those are extra wheelchair securement locations, and they also unfold very easy. So as you can see, all the seats are in very good condition. Also, let's show you how quick they fold down. Or I'm sorry, I should fold up, I should say. So they're very easy to fold and unfold. Also, I want to show you back here, you do have a lock so that when the bus is not in use, you can close this and nobody can enter. However, make sure before you start the bus you unlock it, because this button right here is a kill switch, which is a safety feature because when the bus is running, this emergency exit door needs to be accessible. Have your air conditioner up here. I have it on and it is blowing out nice cold air. Take a look at everything outside. You can see here a few imperfections in the paint. Looks like they've been touched up. Some more here. Also up here, another spot here, looks like a paint chip that was touched up. Another spot right here. See a few more on the back. Also, I just want to point out the hazards are on because I still have the wheelchair button engaged. A few more spots here. Here as well. Driver's seat is in good condition. lights check now. Turn signal, headlights. Rear turn signal, running lights. Oh. Let me turn off the handicap button. We'll go around, we'll recheck once more. Let's see. So as we go around checking the right turn signal, I have this tool here, which is going to measure the tire tread. Measures in 30 seconds of an inch, and this tire has 10-30 seconds of tread. This tire is going to have the same 10-30 seconds. Alright. So the outer tire is going to have 6-30 seconds of tread. The inner tire is going to be the same, both 6-30 seconds of tread. Right rear turn signal. So this tire, the outer tire is going to have 6-30 seconds of tread. The same for the inner tire, 6-30 seconds of tread. Okay. Let's close the door. Test out the AC out of the front vents, and it is blowing out nice and cold, feels really good. I'm gonna test the heat real quick. And it is blowing out hot air. Horn works. Okay, so we're ready for a test drive. I have it in reverse, and I can hear the reverse warning going off. So as I shift it out of park into reverse and into drive, transmission shifted very smoothly without hesitation or noises. Also, I want to mention the bus is 26 feet long and 10.5 feet high, and that's with the top hatch closed. Alright, so that was the 2003 Ford E450. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that bell so you can receive notifications. Also, you can check the description below for a link to our website where you can view the rest of our inventory. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.